I likes it. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Table to Play. Tony and Roji here, and today we're gonna be showing you the Hero Masters Darth Vader and Luke set. Yay! Okay, so here is Luke's swirly hand for Rio, and here is Luke. He has a separate arm here. He has the blue lightsaber and Han Solo blaster. And here is Darth Vader. He also comes with a swirly hand. It's not as swirly as Luke's, but it is still swirly. Of course, it's red for the dark side, and of course, Luke's is blue for the light side. And Darth Vader has the classic red lightsaber with a separate hand. It says it's snappable. And now let's get on to opening this box. I meant passing this box. So here are the figures. Here's the Dark Lord of the Galaxy, Darth Vader. And here's the guy that's supposed to defeat him in the end, Luke. Yeah, but Luke was not strong, only Darth Vader. And here is Darth Vader. I really like his head. They put it really detailed. He actually has two capes, the original cape and also a cape that goes like here. It's basically a mixture of Yoda and the Empire. Dun dun dun. Darth Vader also has a control panel and control panels here. He is pretty detailed. Luke is also, he has pockets here. Yeah. And he has the belt and the gun holder. Okay, and it's pretty much the end of the video, so don't forget to give us a thumbs up, link the links below, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.